What's up to us, gang? Welcome to another video. Guys, I guess I've been active here on YouTube sometimes, you know. My previous video was kind of bush. Yeah, so I'm sorry for that, guys. It was very mixed up. We have some problem with the network, and I think it got mixed up while it stopped when I was uploading it. I think so. Things got so yeah, that video got ruined, so I'm sorry for that. But anyways, my mom was happy with her present that she got. I got her a frame, a nice frame, and I put her picture in it. So if y'all were in my Instagram page, you would have seen it. You've seen it. So yeah. Anyways, as you can see down in the description, guys, I am doing a mixed food video. So I'll be mixing some foods. I'm already regretting this. The way I'm looking at that food, I'm like, okay, it's not mostly food, it's like sauces and stuff and chips. So I'll be mixing those. I know I'm gonna regret this. But I'm gonna keep smiling throughout. Anyways, I'm doing this video at night, so I decided to do it at night because I was bored. I was really bored, and I'm tired of watching Teen Titans, and yeah, so I decided let's get on with the video, a YouTube video, because I'm really bored. really bored. Yeah, guys, as you can see, my fro. If y'all want a video on how to get this fro, you should comment down below or go tell me on IG. Okay, guys, so if y'all hear some background sounds, sorry about that. I'm in a noisy place. Yeah, y'all heard about Swaziland, how bad it is. Apparently I'm leaving there, so I'm okay. I know you didn't ask, but I'm okay. So anyways, let's get on with this video, guys. I got some Lay's. What flavor? Sour cream and onion, right? Yeah. First, I love this. So yeah, as you can see, I got the things right here. You know. So got some honey, cucumber, mayonnaise, chutney, fucking chili sauce. Yeah. Oh, I left the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna get the barbecue sauce. Then we got some plain yogurt, the Lay's, and an apple. Why did I bring an apple? So here's the barbecue sauce right there. Okay, yeah, that's the barbecue sauce. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna first mix up some of the Lay's, and then we're gonna get the apple, then we get the cucumber. We try it all up. I'm gonna get one chip. First one chip. I like doing this. It's not my first time, so I'm gonna show you what I do. Usually when I buy the Lay's, I get some plain yogurt, then I just dip it in like that, just like that. I like this right there. It would be nice with some sour cream. No, it already has sour cream, so yeah. Oh, so nice. Wow. I'm gonna do that again. Oh god, it's so good. Dang it. It's just that those are my two favorites, so you can't blame me. So now we go on and try different stuff. So I'm gonna get another chip. Now we try something I've never done. Honey. I got some honey right there. god, honey and chips. Who does that? Mother what? Oh Lord. Oh my god, it's spilling. It's spilling. I don't like honey much. It's too sweet. I don't bite much, but it's horrible. It's so horrible. It is so horrible. Horrible, yeah. Wow, that was horrible. Oh my god. Wow. Lord have mercy. Don't try that. Nope. Don't. I wouldn't suggest you to do that. I'm gonna get a bigger chip. Now we get some chutney. I'm not a huge fan. This is the mild chutney, mild. So, God. I'm kind of having a blocked nose because it's really, really cold, and it's at night. And I'm out of my blankets making a video. Can you believe me? Anyways, we got some chutney. Chutney right there. Okay, sorry for the accent. Oh god. So I'm practicing the British accent because I love British people. Okay. Wow. Okay, the chutney is really, really strong. Dang, the chutney is strong, boy. It is so sour. Very sour. Wow. Okay, no. Okay, anyways, we move on. Bye. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like and comment. Comment, guys, comment, because I need some likes, comments. If you don't comment, guys, I'ma kill you all. Anyways, guys, I'm a sweetheart. I'm a sweetheart. So y'all just go comment down below, share the video, like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. And yo, tell me if y'all want me to do a mukbang. I was thinking of doing a mukbang, but I was like, there's like a lot of things going on in Swaziland, so like, we can't do a mukbang much. So yeah. Anyways, I was gonna do the mukbang with some of my friends. I was gonna put them on, like Viela, the one who was here before the video, the one in my mom's shopping video. Oh, so I'm in the. So yeah, I'm gonna put that right there, just a bit. That's a lot. Chili sauce right there. Ooh. Oh, it's not the chili sauce. Sorry, it is the barbecue. Barbecue. Yeah. Right? Okay. Anyways, let's get on. It's not bad. It blends in properly. It's not bad, but I wouldn't eat it cause but maybe it would be nicer if it was other chips, like chili chips or something to bring on the flavor. Okay, I don't eat chili chips, so no, I don't like chili stuff. I don't know why I put in the hot sauce, because me and chili stuff don't get along. Anyways, but this is a nice band. Now we bring in the cucumber. What was that? I'm gonna slice some cucumber right there. I'm gonna get some plain yogurt. Oh my god. I wish I had some sour cream. I wish I had sour cream. Okay. Then we get a chip. Put the chip right there. And then we get some of the sauce. Oh my god. That's it right there. Oh, it's not showing. Okay, anyways. So I'm gonna try this. And I hope it's delicious. This is not bad. The cucumber kind of like takes all the terrible flavors because it's terrible itself. So the cucumber made this delicious. Apparently, I would eat this. I would eat this anytime I get time to chop the cucumber, and then I just mixed it with some chips and some yogurt. So I'm gonna get my apple and we're gonna slice it. Wait, poor knife. Oh god, look at the juice. Look at the juice. Hope I never hate apples. I love apples, so I just hope I never hate them again after doing this. So I'm gonna get some mayonnaise. This looks disgusting. I'm just gonna put a bit. I ain't gonna risk my life for this thing. Like the video right now. Like it. Like. I only taste the apple. I think I put a little bit of mayonnaise. It's not. Okay. I got the apple wrapped out in mayonnaise. So let's give this a try again. No. That's horrible, guys. Don't try that again. Dad, move!
This is Daddy's Sansa. This is Sansa's dad.
This Daddy's Sansa. Go take a shower.
Here's my dad. I'm just from the... What do you mean?
Okay, sorry about that. Guys. So yeah, anyways, let us move on. I wouldn't eat the apple and mayonnaise. It is horrible. It is horrible. So now to my most feared chili sauce. Dun dun dun. The Nando's peri peri chili sauce. I don't know why my mom bought this, because I don't eat no chili sauce. I don't No one is eating this. No one is gonna try this out. Ain't nobody eating this. It's just sitting in the fridge doing nothing. Nothing in the fridge. I don't know why my mouth bought it. Anyways, we're gonna beat it. We're gonna put it with some chips. Don't worry, I'm only eating it once. I ain't gonna repeat this. I'm serious. I'm not gonna repeat this. Not even for YouTube. No, never. I don't like chili sauce. No, I don't. Anyways, I'm just gonna put a drop. Nope. That was enough. Nope, I ain't killing myself. I ain't killing myself with no chili sauce. Yeah. My hands now smell like chili sauce. No. We got some chili sauce. Why am I even smell? Oh, we said smell throughout. It's chili. Oh my god. I know I didn't even try it, bro. I know, but yeah. Now I'm done with this video. Nope. So thank you guys for tuning into my video. Just know that if you meet me and you want to take me out, never order for me anything chili unless you want the restaurant to go on fire. I'ma enjoy this. I'ma be posting after my exams doper videos than these. Oh yeah, by the way, just so you know, I use an iPhone 5 S5. What is it called? iPhone 5S. I use that to edit and record with 5G space. Boss. I'm boss. Come here. Roll.